Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn automatic date and time on or off on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option General Management. From here, tap on date and time, and then you should see the option automatic date and time. So as you can see, mine is currently disabled, which means that I've been able to manually adjust the date and time to my liking. So my date and time currently reads Thursday, 3rd December at 3:06 p.m. But if I turn it on like that, then you'll notice the time has changed to suit the location. So right now it's telling me it's Friday, 23rd August at 9:13 a.m. And so that's how you can enable and disable the date and time, automatic date and time. So it's up to you to decide if you want to leave it on or off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.